Hi, my name's Andy, welcome back with another update on the folding bike and specifically the problems that I've been having with the handlebars. Now, I was out yesterday riding on the trail and the handlebars started coming undone and getting really wobbly. Now, I've taken the bike back and had a look at it. The problem basically is this. It's this type of folding mechanism here for the handlebars. Now, you'll probably see this on a lot of other bikes. This one in particular is the Kiwi Stow bike, aluminium frame, but this is basically just a clone of other folders that are on the market. So a lot of them are coming out with this type of handlebar configuration, this type of folding mechanism here. It's not super good. So you can see there's this little plastic switch, you press it and it unlocks a little clip and then your bars are open and then it comes apart like that. The latch is held closed by the lever and the screw in the latch provides tension to stop the handlebars from having any play. As you can see here, it's a feeble and inefficient method and requires constant maintenance to keep the handlebars from becoming wobbly due to normal operation and vibration caused by the bicycle riding on any uneven surface. So there's a bunch of ways that I could fix this. I could go ahead and get some Loctite. I could hack it up a little bit and try and fix it that way. I just don't think it's a particularly good folding mechanism. I think what I am going to do is go ahead and replace it. There are some aftermarket handlebar stems that you can purchase. I'm going to have a look at a few. I'll put a few photos of them and stuff up here so you guys can have a look too. I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and order them online and replace that part of the bike, and hopefully we can get something a little bit better going on. It's not ideal for the handlebars to start rattling and becoming loose while you're riding. It's unsafe. I just think this is pretty poor design. It's cheap and it's put together with poor quality parts, including plastic. There's a few other parts on this bike that are that have little plastic bits and pieces. There's plastic bushes, of course, in here. I don't like these telescopic handlebars that much either. You got lots of plastic happening out here. This can all break and crack, and as I've talked about in my previous videos, I do like to replace the plastic parts with aluminium cast and steel parts just for those reasons. Hope you've enjoyed this video about folding bike handlebars and what to avoid. My name's Andy, hobocyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.